Hi, my name is Catherine Sears, and I'm an attorney with the Estates Department at Gross McGinley. Today I'm here to talk to you about power of attorney and an advanced healthcare directive, and why these are important documents for any adult, including your college student. As soon as the clock struck midnight on your 18th birthday, or on your child's 18th birthday, you or your child respectively are now an adult. That means no one else in the world has the authority to make legal, financial, or medical decisions. The adult alone has that authority. For teenagers, this is probably a moment that they have anticipated for many years, being independent and being able to make decisions without oversight from mom or dad. However, there could come a time, even in a young person's life, when he or she becomes unable to make decisions for him or herself. And that's what a power of attorney or a healthcare directive can do. Through a power of attorney, an adult is delegating legal and financial decision-making to another person. In the case of a college student, probably to parents, but it doesn't need to be. It could be to any adult that the student feels would make appropriate decisions. The student is not losing the ability to make his or her own decisions for themselves. This is just saying someone else also may step into your shoes and make those decisions for you. So why is this important? Let's say that you are going to school out of state and you bank with one of the local credit unions here in Lehigh Valley. Although we do live in a 21st century digital world, there could very well be transactions that need to happen in person at a local branch, or are notably more convenient to happen at a local branch. And so if you are several states away and there's no branch anywhere available, having a power of attorney in place would allow your agent to be able to step in and handle whatever transactions need to occur. This is amplified even more if you choose to study abroad. Now you're in an entirely different time zone, probably on a different continent. Let's say you lose your wallet. All of a sudden, no more debit card, no more ID. These are all things that could be very, very difficult under an ordinary circumstance, but magnified by being abroad, someplace that business hours here in the United States is happening in the middle of the night for you. And so delegating the ability to step into your shoes becomes of paramount importance. You still can do transactions for yourself. So this is not mom or dad being a helicopter parent and saying, you're never going to grow up, you have to be treated like a child. But it's really the responsible thing for a young adult to do, to say, what if I can't make decisions for myself? If something happens to you and you don't have a power of attorney in place, mom and dad don't have any authority to help you out. They or someone else would need to go to court, have you declared incapacitated, and then you lose all of the rights that you acquired as an 18-year-old, and someone is appointed as guardian of your estate. So definitely much easier, simpler, more cost-effective, much faster to get assistance by delegating that through a power of attorney. There's also an advanced healthcare directive, sometimes called a medical power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, all similar phrases that refer to the same basic document. This says if you are unable to make your own medical decisions for whatever reason, then it appoints someone to make those decisions for you. Unlike the financial power of attorney, the medical directive only goes into effect if you are unable to make these decisions for yourself. Obviously, we hope that that would never happen, but car accidents happen all the time, especially in young adults in their late teens, early 20s. This is a time when schizophrenia or bipolar disorders can manifest themselves. Really important to have someone in place who can make medical decisions if you're not in any position to do that. Once you recover, then you're back in charge of your own decision making. If we can assist you with the preparation of these documents, please contact our office. We are able to accommodate before the fall semester starts. And so we would love to be able to help you out.